Each day, 367 Australians will be diagnosed with cancer. Diagnosis and treatments are improving, but whilst this disease kills, we must continue our part in researching for a cure. It's only through research that better treatments will be available for patients in the future. Our research team are working hard to unlock the riddles of cancer. We are well positioned to do this with world-class facilities and a tissue bank of over 2,000 patient samples that is facilitated through the support of medical clinicians. Additionally, our team maintains an extensive program of local and international collaborations with other research centres. Our research is making an international contribution to the fight against cancer, and it is regularly published in reputable scientific and medical journals. To date, the Institute has well over 40 cancer research publications with new findings that help us to move us closer to a cure. Our core research projects include ovarian cancer, in which Professor Nuzhat Ahmed and her team are studying how ovarian cancer patients become resistant to chemotherapy and are working to identify novel molecules which can be used in combination with chemotherapy to eradicate the resistant disease. In the area of immunology, our research is focused on empowering the immune system to fight disease. Studies on the immunology of cancer and the role of T-cell subsets, NKT cells, mate cells, and gamma delta T cells in various cancers continue to grow and expand by Professor Stuart Berzins and his team. Defects in the immune system may predispose to cancer, and therefore treatments that enhance immunity may provide improved cancer treatments. Our study has identified significant abnormalities in immune cells in various cancers, which may lead to personalised treatments for those battling cancer. CLL is the most common type of leukemia in the Western world in adults. There is evidence that genetic components contribute to susceptibility. Our work is looking at new proteins on CLL cells that progress when the disease progresses. These studies may lead to the development of new antibody treatments. The Institute is in a unique position to study well over 100 such patients with sequential blood samples. Preliminary data have demonstrated interesting results in the analysis of the immune cells in these patients and the identification of new proteins that may help us to produce new treatments for this disease. Histiocytic disorders are another major area of research in the Institute. We have been studying a human form of histiocytosis called Langerhans cell histiocytosis for many years. In this disease, Langerhans cells accumulate in various tissues to form cancer-like lesions. The cause and mechanisms controlling the development of LCH are presently unknown. The Fiona Elsey Cancer Research Institute is a regional organisation making a world-class contribution in the area of cancer research. As a non-government funded organisation, we rely on community support to help us continue our important research in the area of cancer. Through the continuing generosity of people like you, we can continue to fund our research. Please contact us if you have any questions about where your donation goes or if you would like to tour the Institute.